four key elements of occupational safety health management system. If you want to be a successful supervisor, a successful occupational safety manager, you have to know these four key elements and practice it. The key elements in occupational safety management system include four: plan, do, check, act, or PDCA cycle. Some others, PDCA cycle. When you come to practice it, there is a lot of details which now we are not going deep in it. We'll jump to more practical issues should be practiced, which is occupational safety health policy components, containers, composition of our policy. As per International Labor Organization, the key elements of health safety management system can consist of the following items: policy, organizing, planning and implementing, evaluation, monitoring, review, measurement, investigation, auditing, and actions for improvement, preventive and corrective actions, continual improvement. Whenever we came to ISO, International Standard Organizations number 45001, state that the element of effective safety management system include the following items: the context of the organization, leadership and workers' participation, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, adding to improvement, whether it is continuous improvement or not, there must be an improvement. Let us see the key features and content of effective occupational safety health policy. This should include a statement of intent. This statement of intent demonstrates management commitment to health and safety and sets goals and objectives, and must be signed by most senior person in the organization. Why? Why all that need to be signed by the top management, by the executive manager, or by the general manager, or by president? Why? Because that shows management commitment, and it gives the policy authority. Besides, the person who signs it has an ultimate responsibility. Have you seen? Let us turn to objective for the organization. Overall objective and quantifiable target will need to be set earlier. These are an important part of the statement of intent as they show senior management commitment, motivate the workforce with tangible goals, offer an evidence during monitoring or audit process. This target depends on the area which you need the greatest improvement within organization and may include the reductions in accidents or incidents. Let us take the guidelines of occupational safety management system related to International Labour Organization. Occupational safety and health policy, it must be. The employer consultations with workers and their representatives should be set out in a written language which can be understood by all employees, or the language that workers could understand. This policy should include a specific to the organization and appropriate to its size and nature of its activity. My organization policy will not be set to other companies. Second, concise and clearly written, dated, and made effective by signature or endorsement of the employer or the most senior accountable person in the company. Communicate and readily accessible to all persons at their place of work. Review it in continuing suitability. It must be available on it. Occupational safety health policy should also include the minimum flowing principle and objective. At least should include the following: protecting the safety and health of members of the organization by preventing work-related injuries, ill health, diseases, incidents, accidents, hazards. Complying with relevant occupational safety health, national laws and regulation, voluntary programs, collective agreement on occupational safety health, and other requirements to which the organization subscribes. Ensure that workers and their representatives are consulted and participated actively in all elements of the occupational safety health management system.